Okay, so a unit vector is a vector with a magnitude of 1. The purpose of a unit vector is to just give us the direction of a vector. So if we have some sort of vector that's not unit 1 magnitude, I feel like this should have been a different letter, like maybe a U. Let U be a vector. If the magnitude of U is 1, then we say that U is a unit vector. I'm going to suggest that for the textbook. Anyway, if the magnitude is greater than 1, then the unit vector is found by this formula. I guess they're kind of clarifying. They're saying if it's magnitude 1, it's already a unit vector. If it's not magnitude 1, then we need to find the unit vector for some reason, then we use this formula by taking the vector and dividing by its magnitude. Okay, so we are going to find a unit vector for example 2, and it is going to be a vector with magnitude 1. Instead of this would be a vector with magnitude like 13, right? We're going to work that out in case you don't know where I got the 13. So let's go ahead and find the magnitude of vector v, because if it's not 1, we know it's not a unit vector, and we need to go ahead and find the unit vector. So we're going to do negative 5 squared plus 12 squared. And that gives us the square root of 169, which is 13. So now we're going to follow the formula that says, let's take vector v, which is negative 5, 12, and we're going to divide that by 13. And all that means is each of those numbers individually is going to be divided by 13. So negative 5 13ths and positive 12 13ths. And that is a unit vector. That means it has a magnitude of 1, but it is going exactly the same direction that the vector negative 5, 12 would go. And there's applications for that we're going to use. My pen is stuck.